pumpkin peach pie. Take 8 or 9 nice ripe peaches and you core them, take the skin off. You add half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You let it sit for about an hour and then it gets all the juices at the bottom. You strain off the juices into a pan and add cornstarch, and for about 3 minutes you whisk it together until it becomes thick. About 3 minutes, remove from heat, then whisk in lemon juice and vanilla. And it's about 4 pounds of peaches, 8 or 9 peaches, 1/4 cup brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. After you remove it from the heat, after it's thickened, you add the lemon juice and vanilla. Then that is your filling for your pie, and you can use store-bought pie crust and bake according to the directions on the pie crust. This recipe calls for baking at 400 degrees for about, about 45 minutes or until done. You can add foil to the edges so the edges don't get burned.